day at the conference and is getting a desired cocktail. We are extremely pleased, especially at a time when there's a lot of people to hear, to have one of our thought leaders and luminaries in the area of cloud and big data analytics. Judith Hurwitz is the President and CEO of Hurwitz and Associates. We know her well from her thinking in the area of cognitive computing and big data analytics. And in fact, she has a brand new book. She's going to come up in a moment and tell us a little bit about the themes from the book. And then people want to come around. She's going to actually, we have the book here and she's going to sign them. I'm going to be first in line because I promised my son I would get him one. And we hope you enjoy it. So, Judith, you want to come on up?
Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Hello. So, it's so great to be here. We just have a brand new book, Cognitive Computing and Big Data Analytics. It actually just came out yesterday. So, we're very excited about it and really want to thank the folks at IBM who gave us a lot of help in understanding this new area that's really going to transform the way we do computing probably for the next 4 or 5 decades. So it's very important to really begin to understand what we're talking about. Cognitive computing is not just one thing. It's really a combination of natural language processing, of machine learning, of big data analytics, of advanced analytics, cloud computing, distributed computing. So if you take that all together, then you begin to understand the complexities and the opportunities that we're going to see with cognitive computing. Now, we could probably spend several hours talking about that, but we can do that offline or in other occasions. But I think the most important thing to understand about cognitive computing is that basically what we are doing is we are turning the idea of creating applications on its head. Instead of doing things programmatically, where you say, okay, this is the business problem I want to solve, and I'm going to write it down with a beginning, middle, and an end, and I'm going to create a program. And then I'm going to finish that, and we're going to add data to it and hope for the best. And that's fairly rigid. It's okay in the times when you created an application and you really understood what you were going to do, and it was not going to change very much. But in this new era that we're coming into, we actually need to be guided by the data rather than doing things programmatically. So if you are guided by data, then the system learns from best practices and it lets the data that is trained lead you to conclusions and lead you to best practices. So it's an emerging area. There are some IBM partners that are here. Cognitive Scale is here. There are a lot of companies. Melvin Green over here from Lockheed Martin is actually building cognitive applications for their organization. You're going to see over the next few years just an absolute explosion in these type of applications. Over the last couple of months, I've seen probably 15 or 20 emerging companies that are all going to become leaders in this space. It's just going to be an explosive space. At this time, I would like to invite you up and please help yourself to a book. I'd be happy to sign it for you and engage anyone in conversation. So thank you for your time, and please come up and I'd love to sign a book for you.